What is up, bros and broads? Welcome on back to the Millennial Bro Kitchen. It has been a minute, but don't you worry. The brunches, Netflix binges, and other non-material life experiences I've been preoccupied with have only slowed, but not stopped the cooking. And hey, matter of fact is, we all have busy lives, right? Well, today's recipe is the quick calorie infusion your body needs when you're already 15 minutes late to the function. Choco-Berry Smoothie. Send that text saying you already left, and then let's get cooking. All right, guys, function started. They're asking where Millennial Bro is. Not a good situation, but better situation. Milk. The base to any good smoothie. I'm gonna eyeball it, put about a cup and a half in. Next up, the chalk and Choco-Berry. Some brotein. And sure, you can use vanilla or whatever flavor, but then what are you gonna call it? Vanilla berry? Doesn't have the same ring. Let's get one good scoop into there. Then the secret ingredient. If you haven't guessed, a nice glob of peanut butter. Trying to get that right in the middle. Then the star of the show, the berry. We have this nice cherry berry blend. I think the cherry adds a nice taste profile on the palate. But go for whatever berry suits you. Just a couple handfuls. You don't want to overload it. Then the last piece, just to keep the temperature down, a couple ice cubes. The rest is up to the ninja. Oh, baby, guys. All right. Well, I gotta go. Gotta call an Uber. Get to the function. Hopefully this will hold you guys over. Until next episode.